And today we're giving iPad mini.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video, I am announcing the birth of my new iPad baby. Also, I'm filming this on my iPhone because I just feel like it fits the chill vibes. I didn't want this to be like a formal unboxing. This video is like half a joke. We've got some nice Chick-fil-A lemonade, and let's start this thing. If you are not in my Discord server, you are severely missing out. We have problems. We have problems. Just a week ago, we had the idea to get iPad minis. So we accidentally started a cult. I can't. Wait, you know what? Before we start, let's just pour one up. So I've been saving this for a special occasion, and today is that day. By the way, if you're not on my Patreon, what are you doing? You're missing all the move-in vlogs. I explain these wine glasses. If you know, you know. So today we are drinking this delicious Prosecco Rosé. Cheers. So I decided to get an iPad mini completely out of impulse. This was not in my bingo chart for February. And we got a little carried away in the Discord. So if you have an iPad mini, you are officially in the cult. There's no sign-up fees. It's just automatic the second you buy one. I'm so excited for this. We're doing the whole thing. Now this is a real party. Cheers. So let's open the iPad. Let's get into it. So this is the iPad mini. I'm fully aware new iPad minis are probably coming out within the next month. Do I care? No, because they're not gonna be OLED. They're not gonna be 120 Hertz display. So what do I care? This iPad mini is perfect. It was $100 off at Best Buy, and I just want one. I just want one. So if I want something, I'm gonna get it. I did get a case for it. This is the iPad mini Smart Folio. I think it's a bit overpriced, but we're talking about Apple. What I love about this is it still comes in the plastic. This is an Apple rarity. So this is very satisfying and it's very nostalgic. So let's do it. And let's see if we could just peel. Wait. Yay! I got this in the color Starlight. This is the 256 gig model. It's only Wi-Fi, no cell. And this is the newest iPad, so it's the iPad mini 6. Let's open it. I never get sick of doing this. Here's the mini. You guys get to look first. Dolce gets to look second. And I get to look last. I love the size, and the size alone is kind of why I bought it. If you could see right there, my iPad Pro is giving us dirty looks because I already have an iPad. I don't know who the hell has two iPads. You barely even need one, but here we are. But I bought this for the size because I feel like it's gonna be so portable. You're probably like, shut the hell up and finish opening it. All right, I'll do it. It's so light. Wait, it's so cute. Dolce. It's so cute. Dolce. Dolce, come here. Good girl. This is so cute. I would literally choose to use this as my phone. Okay, let's peel it. That was not satisfying at all. Wait, this is so cute. Here's the front, no fingerprints. Here's the back, gorgeous. I love how it matches my apartment. I feel like it just fits in perfectly. I love that I can hold it with one hand. New phone, who this? Wait, why do I kind of love it? Here's the top. You could see there. I know that the iPad minis have Touch ID, which is game changing. I miss Touch ID so much. Here is the port. I think it has lightning, which is unfavorable, but we're gonna be okay. We can get through it together. And then here's the rest of the box. So it gives us this little pamphlet, and then you do get, is this not lightning? No, it's USB-C. This is why I've never been invited to an Apple event. Like, this is why. It's USB-C. I'm just a dummy. And then they also give you another brick. So that's nice. I actually need more of these, so I do appreciate that. Then inside of this is cute. Welcome to iPad mini with some little instructions. I will be keeping and framing this for my cult collection. They give you stickers. To be honest, I always make a big deal about the stickers, but I never use them. So that'll be going in my drawer right there. And let's also get another drink. I used to drink this all the time in college. So here's the Smart Folio. Please ignore my dog's crunching on her bone. This is the only way I can get her to not bother me while I do this. Here we go. And it looks like this. It's so cute and little. It's literally like a baby iPad. Here's the case. It's all magnetic, so when you put it on, it just kind of sticks to the iPad. This is so adorable. I'm literally about to cry. So we're gonna take this and just stick it on. So that's how you use it. I'm sure if you guys like Apple, you already know. My life is complete. I am fully satisfied. This is my peak right here. I like how this case has the folding aspect, so you can go like this and kind of use it as like a little stand. I would definitely use this in the kitchen, like as I'm cooking and stuff like that, or just on the go, you know how it be. So here's that. I do want to compare it to my iPad Pro so you guys can understand just how small this is, because it's so freaking cute. Like, it's so freaking cute. Hold on. This is my iPad Pro. It is so heavy. This is the 12.9 inch. When I bought this, I was actually nervous because I didn't know if I was going to use it. Personally, I love this iPad and I use it every day. I use it to make my SAGELLE wallpapers. I use Procreate. I use it as like a MacBook. I love this iPad so much, but the problem is it's so big that I can't really bring it anywhere with me, and it's very heavy. So this is like truly like a pro iPad. Let me just show you the little one next to it. That is insane. Look how small it is in comparison. It literally is like a dad and a baby. Something I also love about the mini, it does support already this Apple Pencil, so I don't need to buy a new one. I could use the same pencil for both of my iPads. But I love this, and guys, I know I haven't even turned it on yet and you're probably getting annoyed. If you're on my Patreon, you saw me unbox this bag probably like a week or two ago. I couldn't decide if I wanted it or not because, as I just showed, it does not fit my iPad. So I was like, what do I do? Like, I need a new bag, but I wish it fit my iPad. So my solution to that was just buying a smaller iPad. It's gonna be just fine. So anyway, let's turn it on because I've already annoyed you guys. And these are her first breaths. Let's get a little sip. So let's swipe up and we're just gonna go through the setup. Obviously we speak English and we are in the United States. So now it's just gonna walk me through like the Wi-Fi network and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna log in and then I'll come back once I actually get into the iPad mini. Okay, I'm not done setting this up, but I'm freaking obsessed with this. I love the size. I know this sounds psychotic, but I cannot wait to like whip this out in the middle of Whole Foods, browse my list. I can't wait to like do digital planning on here because on my big iPad, I don't do that because it's so big and I can't bring it with me anywhere. It's just too heavy. So this I could actually put in my bag and like check my little planner. Oh, it's so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. Do you guys want to say hi to Dolce? Dolce, come on. Dolce, what do you think of the iPad? Do you like it? You like the iPad? Yeah, you like the iPad. Okay, great. Okay, so I did reach the point where you set up Touch ID, and I did want to share this with you guys because this is an Apple rarity. And my unpopular opinion is that I don't like Face ID, so let's do it. So you're just gonna hit the top like this, and you just keep doing that until it registers, and here we go. I always start my devices fresh, so we're gonna be doing that, and then I'm gonna log into my Apple ID, and we will be making this our new iPad, adding my Apple Card. Okay, Dolce wants to go on the couch, so I guess now we have a spectator. Okay guys, we're in. Look how freaking adorable. It's so cute. I love how little it is, and it really looks like, oh my god. Am I old? Do you remember like Palm Pilots or whatever they were called? I remember my elementary school principal had one, and she had like a stylus with it, and it was kind of like this vibe, but for the 2000s. We've got a modern Palm Pilot. Okay, so now what? Now what? So now what I'm gonna have to do is actually sit and take the time to customize this. This was really just to like unbox the iPad and kind of like share my first impressions and get you guys to join the iPad mini cult. Something else that I want to do now is just make sure that it does indeed fit in my bag. This is such a tangent, but this is really supposed to be more like vlog style. So here's my bag. Lululemon just came out with these bags. This is actually the mini tote. So I feel like the two minis are just perfect for each other. I feel like it'll fit, so I'm gonna attempt that now. So I don't keep much in this bag. I really just keep my wallet, sunglasses, keys, and makeup bag. If everything goes according to plan, this should fit perfectly. It does. It does. Look how perfect. So I can still close the bag. It fits amazingly. You can't even tell that the iPad's in there, which is exactly what I wanted. And now my iPad portability dilemma is solved. So now I want to talk about the uses for this iPad mini. So you may be wondering, why the f do you need two iPads? My answer is you don't. It's low-key the most useless device from Apple. Sorry, Tim Cook. However, I do love iPads because I do a lot of digital creation. I also love planning. So I do intend to actually plan on this iPad. Another thing that I really think is going to be game changing that I don't think many people would consider is using this as an external display for your iPhone. I take a ton of pictures and I make a lot of videos, obviously. I don't necessarily like having to use just my iPhone to look at the pictures. Even on the Pro Max, the screen can feel a little bit small for me. So what you could do is airdrop your photos and videos to the iPad mini, and you could look at them and edit them on the iPad and then actually post from your phone. So overall, I really do think this will be useful, and I think it has a lot of applications that maybe you wouldn't expect. I think this is a perfect device if you are someone who is on social media a lot, or you do like your own marketing and things like that. Another thing that I think is a little more obvious, you could use this to make your shopping list. Oh my God, it's 4:44 when I open that. And you could be writing down like, I need bananas. I need almond milk. Like, just so cute. What more do you need to hear, honestly, to join the cult? I think I've done my job. Don't get mad at me if iPad minis come out next month and you wanted the new one. That is not my problem. That is not my problem. I'm here to sell you the iPad mini 6 because that's what we're doing today. March is another topic. I guess that's it for today's video. This was really just supposed to be for fun. I wanted to show my new iPad mini. Yes, it's been around since 2021. Yes, I'm late to the game. Do I care? No. Because at the end of the day, my firstborn iPad is here. That was such a diss to this first iPad. Real talk though, I love this iPad. But I do think these two are very different devices for very different purposes. So I definitely think I'll be using both. If you guys have an iPad mini, let me know what color you have and all your specs and things like that in the comments. And let me know how you use your device. But I'm gonna go set this up and I'm gonna go hyperfixate on this for the rest of the night. And I will emerge with more iPad mini videos in the future. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!